our KP, being our federated president in the province of Bohol. And from that moment up to now, I was away in Bohol for quite a long time, for 30 years or more, but I constantly follow his achievements, his being a governor, congressman, board member, mayor, vice governor. Even though I am away, but I was living in Chato compound, Maninoy, I was there always, and also Edgar. So from time to time, I was updated of his accomplishments. And in my capacity as being in the banking industry, I was also involved with LGUs. I was able to meet politicians in Cebu, Iloilo, Rojas, and I cannot help but compare with our boss Edgar, how they perform also. I could also, there was a time that I was very close to Tommy Osmeña when he was mayor of Cebu City. And I could compare, because Tommy is not as accomplished educational wise. Edgar is a lawyer, an economist, and many more. And Tommy is not a, many are asking if he graduated as a college graduate. But I can compare that both of them are visionaries in their own field in Bohol and Cebu City. Tommy accomplished big projects like I just mentioned SRP. Nobody believed in Tommy when he started it all. They've been going that Tommy is crazy. But look at SRP now. And I also, I'm proud that I could say that Congressman Edgar Chato, his accomplishments as a politician. In Bohol, for me, in Bohol, I think nobody could be at par with him. That's my personal opinion. He is a humble guy. He is tirelessly working for the benefit of all of us in Bohol. I don't have to mention all the projects, the livelihood projects, all the big projects, impact projects in Bohol. But I'm very proud that we honor him now, and I want him to continue guiding us here in Bohol. Thank you.
Yeah. So today,